Good morning, students. Welcome in our Mumbai Municipal Corporation online education English medium. Today we are going to learn about measuring time. Myself, Suvarna Dilip Vadnere. I am from Gokhale Road Municipal English School. Our administrative officer is Mrs. Nehalata Dumbre Madam. Our nodal beat officer is Mr. Sharad Kurade sir. Our nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam. Our assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Madam. And our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Burangule sir. Let's begin from our thought of the day. Never lose hope in life. You never know what tomorrow may bring. What is the meaning of this thought? Never lose hope in the life. You never know what tomorrow may bring. Its meaning, one great and simple quote on the hope, which tells us the importance of keeping alive hopes in the life. It is common for people to become disheartened by thinking about the negative outcomes in the future. However, no one knows exactly what is the future will bring to us in the coming days. So we should never feel sad or lose hope. Okay, students? So never lose your hopes in life. It's very important. You never know what tomorrow may bring. Okay? Let's see the picture. These girls get up early in the morning and going to ready for study. See the clock. That timing is 8 o'clock in the morning. No?
Yes.
And
Yes,
what about
teacher.
you? At what time do you wake up, students? Tell me. Yes, students. Early in the morning, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. At what time do you wake up?
8.
Yes, 8. Okay, very good. Then at what time do you are going to school or going to study? Ready for the study? Yes. 8 after 8 o'clock, 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Okay. Yes, in this way, we are going to learn about measuring time. Okay, so let's tell me. See the clock, write the time shown in each clock in the box given below it. Already you can identify the timing now. Everyone has a clock at home.
2:25.
In first, okay.
2:25.
In first clock, there is given the 2:25. How you have to write down 2:25? 25 minutes, not 25 minutes past.
Minute.
Okay. Past. 25 minutes past 2. Okay. 25 minutes past 2. And what about second clock? What time is it in the second clock?
10:40 minutes past.
See, where is a hour hand and where is a minute hand? Hour hand.
10 minutes past 45 minutes.
See, the minute hand.
1 minute past 8.
Okay, see the minute hand on the 10.
16 minutes.
50. Okay. 50. Yes.
Minutes.
See the 12 to 1. Each
Yes.
12 to 1. How many minutes are there? 5 minutes. Then 1 to 2, 5 minutes. Then 3, 5 minutes. Okay. Then 5, 5, 5 up to 10. 5 tens are 50. Okay.
50.
So 50 minutes are here. 50 minutes past 7 o'clock. It's not correctly happened. The 8 o'clock is not. Now 50 minutes past 7 o'clock. How you have to write? 50 minutes past. Yes. 7. Okay. 50 minutes past 7. And see the next clock. Third clock. What time is it here?
8 o'clock 5 minutes. 8 8 8
Yes.
5 minutes past.
Very good. See here, 12 to 1. How many minutes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes are here. So 5
Yes.
minutes past 8 o'clock. How you have to write here? 5
5
minutes
past.
past 8. Okay. In this way, you can write. Now see the next question. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time given in the box. Here is already given the timing. So you need to draw the minute hand and hour hand. In first clock 4:30. In first clock 4:30 you have to show. Then tell me about the hour hand. Where I have to draw hour hand and minute hand. Minute hand 4:30. 30 means 30 minute. Okay. 4 means 4 hours.
4.
Yes, 30 minutes. So on the 6 5s are 30. Na? So minute hand,
30 minutes
minute
past.
hand you have to draw at the place 6. And the shorthand means hour hand 4:30. 4. Okay, and slightly it moves next to the 4. Okay, see the shorthand means hour hand. I shown 4 in between 4 and 5. And minute hand is a long hand that I shown on the 6. It shows the 4:30. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes.
Now into the next clock. There is already given the timing.
9 o'clock.
Past 9. Yes,
9.
quarter. Quarter means how many minutes? 15.
9
Yes.
minutes past.
15. Quarter means 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minute past means quarter past 9. 15 minutes means a minute hand you have to draw at the place 3. 5 3s are 15 na?
Yes.
So 5 3s are 15. So minute hand you have to draw at the place 3. And 9 past. So slightly it moves her hand next to the 9. Okay. I want to draw the shorthand here. Okay, shorthand. Then quarter next
5 o'clock 50
clock.
minutes. 5
What?
o'clock 50 minutes.
Yes, quarter to 5. This time we have to show here. Quarter to 5. Again quarter. Quarter means 15 minutes. Yes. 15 minutes to 5. It's not completed 5 o'clock. So 15 quarter to 5. See here. Minute hand we need means 45 minutes. Quarter to 5 means 45 minutes. Past to 5. 5 completely not done. So slightly before 5 we have to draw our hand. Okay. Understood? Yes.
Yes.
In now learning about the seconds. See, observe the clock now. There is how many hands are given? Yes, 3 hands are given. Short hand is a hour hand and long hand is given a minute hand. And what about the next hand? See the short hand. This one is a hour hand and this is a minute hand. Okay, hour hand. This one is a minute hand. And what about this hand? Which minute? Not a second. Second hand. Okay, very good, beta. 5 minutes past 3 o'clock. Okay, and what about the second? How many seconds are here? Let's see in this clock. Okay, I'm going to tell. See, this clock is showing 5 minutes past 3. We know this because of the position of the hour and minute hands. And there is another hand in the picture called the second hand. I shown just now, na? Second hand. And this hand moves swiftly The second is a very small unit used to measure time, less than a minute. Okay. Then the
Second
fifth
hand is hour hand.
circle divided into the 60 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3. How many equal parts are here? To complete this circle, 60 equal parts. Okay. Yes. When the hard hand moves one part, it takes 1 second. Okay. Hard hand is moves to one part, it takes 1 second. When it completes its one round of the clock it moves across all 60 parts. This takes 60 seconds. Okay. One round is completed, then 60 seconds is done. In this same time, the 1 minute hand moves one place, which means that 1 minute is over. It means that 1 minute is equal to the 60 seconds. Okay, when the second hand is moved and completed its round, one round means 60 seconds are completed. That time, at same time, 1 minute is completed. Okay, understood? Let's
Yes.
see. Now, identify the time in the first log.
20
Yes.
minutes. 20 minutes and 10 seconds past 7.
Okay, very good. Here is given the hour hand and minute hand. See.
7.
Here is hour hand and here is minute hand. Okay,
Yes.
and this one is second hand. This one is second hand.
Second.
So 20 minute hand shows up to C4. 4 5s are 20. So 20 minutes and second hand indicates the 2 means 10 seconds. So 20 minutes and 10 seconds past 7 hours. See hour and on the 7. So what time is it in first clock? Now read again.
20 minutes 15 minutes and 40 seconds past 10.
Okay, now next, yes, in this clock, next clock, there is given the short hand on the 10. Okay, then this is a hour hand and this is a minute hand on the 3. 3 means 15 minutes. Means 3 is are 15, so 15 minutes passed. And second hand exactly on the 8. So 8 5s are 40. So 40 seconds also pass. Means here 15 minutes and 40 seconds past 10. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good, students. Now, so remember it carefully. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Specifically, each hour is divided up into 60 minutes. So, a
60
minute
minutes.
is 1/16 of
2
an hour.
minutes is 1/6 of an
Yes.
hour.
Okay, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes now? 60 minutes.
60
Let's
minutes.
Yes, now 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds.
60
Just we
minutes.
learned this. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We divided each minute into 60 equal parts called seconds. So a second is 1/16 of the minute. So memorize this student. The timing 24
60
hours
seconds,
is equal to
minute.
1 day. 1 day is equal to how many hours?
1 day.
24 hours. Okay. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. And 1 hour means?
1 hour.
Yes, 1 hour means 60
60
minutes. And
seconds,
1 minute means? How many
60
seconds?
seconds.
Yes. 1 minute means 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
So you have to memorize this. Okay. Now,
Okay.
next. Abbreviations. Abbreviations means what? Short
D-Day.
forms. Short forms.
D-Day.
D indicates days. D.
Day.
You use D, short form as an abbreviation instead of days. Okay,
Yes.
D. Instead of hours, we can write H.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Instead of minutes, spelling of the minute, we can write M-I-N. Min. Okay. Min. It's mean minutes. Okay. M-I-N minutes. This is the abbreviation of the minutes. Then A's. Instead of seconds, we can write the A's. A's is the abbreviation of seconds. We can use these letters as abbreviation, as a short forms for these spellings. Okay. Let's read now. D for days.
Day.
And H for
Hours.
MIN, minute for
Minute.
S for
Seconds.
yes, very good. Now see the clock. See the clock. There is what time is it in this clock? 12.
Morning. Afternoon.
Yes. See the 12 o'clock, hour hands and minute hands, both hands on the 12. So 12 o'clock is here. See, in the afternoon, 12 o'clock, before 12 o'clock, the time is all is the morning time. The morning time finish up to the 12 o'clock. Then afternoon time will be start. Okay. Then afternoon time will be start. Then 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Then midnight. At night time, 12 o'clock is completed. Means this afternoon, noon completed. Then evening will be start. Then evening timing also completed. And at night, 12 o'clock, this midday will be start. Midday timing is there. Okay. So in this clock shows the morning before 12 o'clock, morning time, and after 12 o'clock, noon time will be start. Then night 12 o'clock, midday. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
So in this 12-hour clock, this is a 12-hour clock. Here is given the 12 numbers now, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 12 numbers. So 12-hour clock is
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, just now I told you about the 12 o'clock. Before timing of 12 o'clock is a morning time. No? So we can say that time is anti-meridian. Okay, we can say the time that is anti-meridian, and anti-meridian means before noon time, means morning time. It indicates in AM, means this is AM is abbreviation. Abbreviation of the anti-meridian. Okay.
PM.
Then after 12 o'clock, timing shows post-meridian. Post-meridian, abbreviation of post-meridian is PM. Okay. Then many times we are going to write your morning class will be at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. That means you have to attend the 7 a.m. means 7 o'clock in the morning, a.m. Okay.
Yes.
If I write there, your parents' meeting will be at 6 p.m. Okay. Then what time? 6 p.m. means in evening time. Okay, not morning time. After 12 o'clock in the noon, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 p.m. in the evening time. Means post-meridian PM. Understood this? Now see the 24-hour clock. Yeah, you can, I think you seen 24-hour clock, you know. The digital clock is there. In digital clock, there shows that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, up to 24. Up to 24, that time shows. See about the 24-hour clock now. You can see the 24-hour clock is used to avoid this division of the day into the ante-meridiem and post-meridiem. This method is used in the timetable for trains, planes, buses, and long-distance boat journey. In this method, instead of the starting again from the 1, 2, 3 after 12, noon, and we continue with the 13, 14, 15, 16 up to 24. Okay, up to 24. See, the timetable of the plane is given here. For example, there is given arrival time and departure time. Observe the timetable. There is given the timing 13:08, 13:24. Na? Hong Kong,
उधर नीचे चल
13:08, 13:24 New York, and 14:02 Berlin, 14:18 Madrid. This timetable shows in 24. Many times that this 24 hours timetable used as a digitally. See, 24 hours, digital timetable is here. 24 are shown here. 2 dots before 2 dots 24 hours shows, and this digit shows that 0 digit shows the meaning. After shows the meaning.
दोबारा
Okay.
बुलाना मत
At the time 24, there is no AM or no PM. We cannot use the AM or PM at the timing of 24. Understood, students?
yes
Okay. See, the double dots are here. Before double dots, this is a hour. This digit shows the hours, and after double dot, that it shows the minutes. Okay. Now, for example, I given here the 24-hour clock. See, outer side, I given the 12-hour clock numbering, and then again after 12 o'clock, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay. Then finish. 24-hour clocks shows here. Understood, students? With the help of this figure, after noon, 12 o'clock, it will be continue 13, 14, 15 into the 24-hour clock. Okay.
24
Then up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. That it outer side clock is shown a 12-hour clock. Okay. Now, let's revise now. We are going to learn more in detail. 12-hour clock. Into the 12-hour clock, how many minutes? Yes, 5 minutes past 12. Means noon time is finished now, so PM is given. And in 24 hours also, 12:05 is shown, not a PM and AM. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Now next. Understood this one? 5 minutes past 12 noon?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now next one. Here are given one more picture of the clock. How much time is given here? 55 minutes past 6 in the evening.
55 minutes.
Yes, 55 minutes past 6 in the evening. So 6:55 PM. We can write as a 12-hour clock. And as per the 24-hour clock, how we can write? 18. 18 means C. Up to 66. Now, after 12, we can say a 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 6 minutes, 6 past, no, 55 minutes past 6 o'clock. So 18. Understood? Yes, students, we have to write 18:55.
Yes.
Here as per the 24 clock. Understood?
Yes.
Now in next clock, there also we can write 12. 12 is given here at the night time 12. I told you na, when night time 12 is there, we cannot write AM or PM. Okay. Or afternoon time 12 o'clock also, we cannot write AM and PM. See in the 12 o'clock, 12 and as per the 24-hour clock, 12. This is a noon time is here. So we should write a 12 as per the 24-hour clock. If night time is there, midnight time is there, then you have to write down 24. Okay? For the midnight time. Yes, students? Now, next one clock also shows here 12-hour clock and 24-hour timing at the night time. See, I just told you midnight 12 o'clock. So as per the 12-hour clock, 12, and as per the 24-hour clock, there no need AM or PM. Here is completed 24 hour. So here is given 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, then next new day will be start 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why here is given after finishing 24-hour clock, 24 hours, 0, 0. Okay, understood as per the 24 hour. Yes, students?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Now here also some examples, 12 o'clock, 24-hour clock. In first clock there is given as per 5 AM and yes, 5 minutes past 12. Then here also in second picture also 1:20 AM means what? 1:20 AM means after midnight timing, and at the 24-hour clock 1:20. Yes. Then as per the 12-hour clock, here is given 5 minutes past 12 noon. Noon time is here. So 5 minutes past noon means 12:05 PM. And here 12:05 as per the 24-hour. Okay. Then here again 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Yes, students, 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Afternoon means PM. 1:20 PM. And as per the 24-hour, 1 means after 12, 13. Count 1 more after 12, it's a 13. So 13:20 is the timing as per the 24-hour clock. Once again, we are going to revise 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Okay. Let's now next one again. Here also given 6:55 AM and 6.
Teacher, give the homework.
Okay. This one is for your homework, students. You have to do homework at home, match the pair. Okay, students. Thank you very much.
You may have a nice day. Stay safe.